Hello guys, today we will learn about the importance of brand registry. So basically brand registry means you need to upload your trademark in Amazon to show that you are the owner of that particular brand. So what all benefit does Amazon give you if you enroll your brand in Amazon? So for non-branded sellers and for branded sellers. So what are the additional benefits Amazon gives you? So if you enroll your brand in Amazon, you can do A+ content. You can add videos to your listing. You can file a complaint if anyone is mapping on your listing. You can file a violation against any seller who is copying your product. And in advertising option also, you will get additional two options, which is sponsor brand and sponsor display. So when we were trying to create an advertise, so for sponsor product, all the sellers can do, but for sponsor brand and for sponsor display, enrollment of brand is important. So you get additional benefits to increase your visibility and to increase your sales in Amazon. Apart from that, brand registry is important because Amazon will know that you have your own brand. So Amazon will focus your product, Amazon will focus your brand and help you increase your visibility and your sales. So let's check how you can enroll your brand in Amazon. So for that, you need to click on this three line, the second last option, brand, and click on brand registry. So Amazon will give you some information. So if you want, you can read it, or else you can directly click on register your brand. So here you have two options. I have a pending or registered trademark. I do not have a trademark. So we have to click on enroll your brand. So here first is what is your brand name. So Amazon will ask you for a form fill up. So you need to fill up that form. Select a trademark office associate to your brand. If you have done a trademark in India, you can select India. Enter trademark registration number. And click on verify. Now Amazon will ask you whether your trademark is already registered or it's in pending. So you can select according to your condition. So this trademark is registered. Select the type of trademark. As you know, trademark are of two types. One is word mark and second one is device mark. So usually all the sellers select word mark. So you can select word mark. So select according to your trademark type. Scroll down. Now product information. Here Amazon is asking you to upload a product image that clearly shows your trademark name. So the name you used in brand name, you need to have that particular brand name in your product and it should be permanently affixed. That means the print of that particular brand should not be removable. As you can check, this is permanently affixed. You cannot remove this, you cannot peel it off. It is fixed to this particular t-shirt. So you need to upload those products over here. So after selecting the products, you can click on next. So now here Amazon will ask you for more information. So this is account information. So the question is, are you a seller or a vendor for the brand you are enrolling? So obviously we are a seller, we want to enroll our brand. So we will click on seller. After scrolling down, select the product category that represents your brand. So in whatever category you have taken your trademark and whatever products you are selling on Amazon, you have to select that particular category over here. After that, if your brand sells product on Amazon, enter 1 to 3 of your top selling ASIN. So it's okay if it is not top selling. So you need to go on your Amazon Seller Central, manage all inventory. You can select any 3 ASINs or any 1 ASIN, it's okay. I am selecting just 1 ASIN. So I have received an error. The ASIN you provided was not found in the selected marketplace. As you can see, it is Amazon.in over here. So we need to select Amazon.in and then click on add. So automatically my ASIN is selected now. After that, enter the URL to your official brand's website. That means if you have your own website, your personal website, you can enter your URL here. But if you don't have it, it's okay. It's an optional question. The final question is, if your brand is sold to other e-commerce marketplace like Flipkart, Meesho, JioMart, you can enter your URL over here. But again, this is optional, so you can skip it. Now click on next. Now Amazon is asking you last 3 questions which is related to manufacturing and distribution information. So first one is distribution information. Does your brand sell to distributors? So again, if you are a wholesaler and you are selling your brand to different shops or retailers, then you can select over here yes. If you are not selling to anyone, it is purely for online business, then you can select no. Where are your brand's product distributed? So again, it is an optional. If you are selling a product out of India, then you can select your country name. If you are just selling in India, then you need to select India. So India is selected. The final question is, does your brand license trademark to other who manufacture products associated with your intellectual property? That means if you are selecting over here yes to the distributor, so distributor can even sell your product on Amazon with your brand name. So if you want those distributors should sell their product in Amazon with your name, then you can select yes over here, or else you can select no. So if you select yes, does the licensee sell on Amazon, then you can select yes or no. So officially they will get permission to sell your brand in Amazon with your name. So I am selecting no over here, and then I will click on submit. So I will get a notification, you have successfully submitted your brand registration application. What is next? Your application is under review. We may reach out to you requesting more information. View the status of your application by visiting Manage Application page below. So we have to click on Manage Application page below. So you can click on Manage Application and you will get the status. Usually it takes 7 to 8 days to verify your trademark and get approval. If you are lucky, you can get within 3 to 4 days as well. So this was the process to how to register your brand in Amazon, and you will be able to enjoy all the benefits which Amazon gives to the seller who have enrolled their brand after your brand registry is completed successfully. Thank you so much.